Welcome back, entrepreneurs and startup enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a game-changing strategy for your startup's success. A/B testing for your pitch deck, a strategy for success. A/B testing, a method I've found incredibly effective in fine-tuning pitch decks, involves comparing two versions of your deck to identify which one resonates better with your audience. Let's break down how you can apply A/B testing to make your pitch deck a compelling narrative for your startup. First off, identify the key variables you want to test in your pitch deck. This could range from the structure of your content, the headlines of your slides, to the types of visuals you use. Pinpointing these variables is crucial for understanding what elements have the most significant impact on your audience. Next, create two versions of your pitch deck. Each version should vary slightly based on the elements you've decided to test. Remember, the goal is to isolate changes so you can accurately measure the effect of each variation. Choose your audience wisely. To get meaningful feedback, present each version of your pitch deck to different segments of your target audience, which might include potential investors, industry mentors, or even peer entrepreneurs. Now, gather and analyze the feedback. Pay close attention to how each version of your pitch deck is received. Look for clues in their engagement, understanding, and overall reaction to each version. This feedback is gold. It's what you'll use to refine your pitch deck. Use the insights from your A/B testing to make informed revisions. The objective is to combine the most effective elements from each version to create a pitch deck that not only tells your story, but does so in the most engaging and persuasive way as possible. Remember, A/B testing is an iterative process. Your pitch deck can always be improved, so don't hesitate to repeat the process as you gather more data and feedback. Lastly, measure the success of your pitch deck in real-world scenarios. This could be during investor meetings or pitch competitions. Success in these arenas will give you tangible proof of your pitch deck's effectiveness. A/B testing your pitch deck is about embracing a mindset of continuous improvement. It's a strategy that underscores the importance of feedback and adaptation, ensuring that your startup's first impression is as strong as it can be. Now, I'm curious to hear from you. How have you used A/B testing to refine your pitch deck, and what impact did it have on your startup's journey? Share your stories and insights in the comments below.